What's up, everybody? Hi. Oh, I addressed you as everybody. Let me go ahead and do this intro right real quick. What's up, MLM? It's your boy, back with another video. Today I'm coming at you with a little something basic. How to put your shoestrings, your laces, back in your shoe. Now this one in particular is a little different. This is for the, let's see what model is this. It's for the black and white Adidas. It's for this particular model. It's the Cloud Foam Super. No sponsor. But yeah, it's the Cloud Foam Super Adidas. So I'll show you how to get it in. So lay your tongue down. Yeah, just lay it down kind of flat. Like, get it below these grooves right here. And we're just gonna stick our ankles, forgot what they were called, but something like that. You're just gonna stick them through both of these top loops right here. And important step, make sure they're even on both sides. You're gonna stick them through, measure them up. See this right side is way longer than this other side. It looks like a little puppet. If it had arms and legs, it's just a foot. Now we're going to cross this under this second loop here. Cross it through, pull it through, and same thing with the other one. We're gonna cross it through like so. Then next step, we're going to take this side and we're going to cross it through this middle loop here and then on to the next loop. It's kind of like SpongeBob. You just loop to loop and pull and your shoes are looking good. I got vocal range, don't knock me. And then you're just basically rinsing and repeating with the other side. Boom. Shaka laka. All right. And we're just gonna, the side that you looped it last, that's gonna go first. If you notice that pattern, the side that you loop it on is the side, or the side that you loop last goes first next time. So the first time I did this side first and then this side, so that side's gonna go first. All right. That way it kind of like snakes under each other and creates this little, again, loop-de-loop. So it's a little rough, but that's how you do it. Then you can stick your little handy dandy insole back in. Wrong foot. Your insole back in, like so. You're just gonna slide it in there. I hope you know how to do this, but this is extra. So yeah, you just cross it through and pull, and your shoes are looking good. That's gonna be all for today. Jump scare warning. That's gonna be all for today. I love you all. God bless you. Jesus loves you. I love you. And have a great day. Bye.